So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am going to discuss about the latest smartphones which is going to be produced by BlackBerry. But before starting this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that you will never miss my latest updates about my channel. So guys, let's start our today's video. But before talking about the BlackBerry's smartphone itself, let's talk about its company. Last year, the contract between the BlackBerry and TCL was ended, and recently the company was hired by the new company which is Onward Mobility. If you are not knowing about the Onward Mobility, then it is a kind of company which works on the softwares of smartphones and other electronic gadgets. Apart from BlackBerry, the Onward Mobility has also hired the Foxconn, and the reason to hire the Foxconn is to build the 5G smartphones of BlackBerry, obviously the further coming smartphones of BlackBerry in 2021. Now let's talk about the smartphones of BlackBerry. Well, the specs of BlackBerry's smartphone is still not clear whether what kind of specs we are going to see in 2021. Obviously it is going to be flagship 5G smartphone, but one specification which had made us to question ourselves is that the smartphone will be equipped by a physical keyboard. Obviously physical keyboard is two traditional specifications, and many of the companies have evolved from traditional, or we can say physical keyboard, to touch screen technology. If you are getting me wrong, then I am not against the traditional innovation, don't take me wrong guys, but this is not just a traditional specification, it is also a point, or we can say a part of reason because of which the BlackBerry company has suffered lot of loss. And to save the BlackBerry company from going in loss, many of the other companies had hired BlackBerry so that the production of BlackBerry wouldn't get stopped. And we can simply say that the reputation of whole BlackBerry company is dependent upon a single specification, that is obviously physical keyboard. And to be in the competition with other smartphone companies, the BlackBerry has to provide some kind of extraordinary feature. Somehow the BlackBerry is still promising for a good and powerful software experience which matters a lot for any smartphone's performance. Well, it is yet to be seen what kind of specs we can see in BlackBerry smartphones of obviously 2021, and also it is yet to be seen by the reaction of public on this new specification, or we can say traditionally new specification, that is obviously physical keyboard. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please make sure to hit the like button and also do subscribe my channel. Share this video with friends and family if you think that this video will be informative and helpful for them as well. Don't forget to comment on my today's video any sort of feedback or any sort of opinion that you want to give, then please do comment guys. And guys, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.